everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Caroline Anastasia Telang Banua. I am from 12 Social 5. In this occasion, I will tell you how to use an automatic washing machine. Happy watching! Step 1. Put the clothes in the washing machine. After that, put the liquid detergent and deodorizer in their respective places. After that, close the washing machine. After that, attach the cable and turn on the water faucet by turning it forward. After that, press the on button on the washing machine. Then also press the start button on the washing machine. The washing machine will spin automatically. Wait for the time to run out. After the time is up, remove and dry the clothes. That's all I can say. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.